fire it again. But it'll take about, for the annealer, once we start the controller, this will take approximately 43 minutes to melt the paint into the glass, and then we'll just let it anneal overnight tonight. And then tomorrow we're actually going to start being able to add color. So we'll be changing the program tomorrow and we'll be adding color. Now we have the breaks for the colors, so we can paint several colors at one time. So that's going to be cool. Okay. Now keep in mind that the big bird, his wings are going to be a turquoise blue-green color. So they're going to be this is our what we call our refrigerator annealer, but it has, we can do 12 or 14 different programs on it. So right now we've inserted the birds with the brown on them, or the bisque brown. They're inside there, they're laying on their shelf with a little bit of fiber frax blanket, a little very thin layer of frax. 1280, we're going to fire these birds from 0, well not 0, it's actually 84 degrees back here. 84 degrees inside the annealer up to our firing temperature and our soaking temperature, 43 minutes. Here we go. Yeah, hey, we're back here in the glass blowing studio, and we're firing another firing of our birds for the Live Oak project. Just want to take a minute, say hi to everybody, and if you haven't had time to subscribe to our channel, please do. Don't forget, thumbs up for Ed Barb and ARTyRV Glass Studio. Lots more coming up, guys. Stick around. We're firing these birds. It's going to be 43 minutes. They're going to be overnight annealing. We've got the furnace ready to get turned on tomorrow. And I don't want to date the day, but tomorrow. So we're turning it on. We've got the door fixed. And we also have the front of the furnace. You can see the furnace is dark gray on the front where the door is right there, that opening. As soon as that dries, it takes about 24 hours. Just a little thing I have to do each year. We want to keep the furnace running. Actually, as long as you're making payments on your furnace, you're not making money in the glass studio, I can tell you that. Again, hey, if you haven't had time to subscribe to our channel, and you like what we're doing, or maybe what we're doing is helping you, please take the time and subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate it, and so would actually YouTube, because the analytics when you subscribe, the analytics help us. That promotes our video through YouTube, which more people can see it from around the world. And thanks again, everybody from around the world. This is Ed in the glass studio with Barb, and we're making glass.